My name is Putri Natasha. My NPM is 09101047. I am from Class B, a student at Widyatama University, Faculty of Economy, majoring of Accounting. My purpose make this video to fulfill the assignment English for Business. The first, I want to tell about my business profile. The name is Howie Store, email howistore@gmail.com, number telephone 082 130 504 558. Address at Mukodar Tengah Street, number 286, Cimahi City. And the next, I want to tell about the company description. In my business, I have vision and mission. The vision is first, sell a variety of products that are attractive mobile accessories and keep up with the times. Second, being a company that can provide benefit for many people through sell mobile accessories. And my mission, first, provide the best service to customer. Second, providing quality product. And last, providing the need for mobile accessories in accordance with the times. And then, I want to tell about marketing analysis. In marketing analysis, there are 4 points I want to tell. The first point, about the marketing area development. The marketing area that I use are the city of Bandung and Cimahi. Second point, about development of trading business. In this business, I will provide product with various attractive design and many choices. I also do promotion through social media that I have. And 3 point, about pricing strategy. The price that will be charged is the price that is expected to be affordable by customer. The price determined will be in accordance with quality provided. And the last point, about promotion activity. I try to do promotion through social media network that I have in order to attract customers be more broadly. And then I want to talk about the product. In my business, I sell 3 products. The first product is pop socket made from rubber. Pop socket made from rubber with clear image, says as 3 dimension, sold at a price of 5,000 rupiah and available with attractive design and many choices. Product benefit is help carry the cell phone in hand so it doesn't fall easily. Help take a selfie, for the stand, roll up the headset, and many more. And the second product is pop socket made from plastic and printed. Pop socket made from printed gives simple design, sold at a price of 6,000 rupiah and has the same function as a pop socket made from rubber. And the last product is the cable protector. The cable protector made from plastic and rubber, sold at a price of 8,000 rupiah, and product benefit is prevent the cable from getting dirty and damaged quickly. And then I want to talk about my model business. For the selected production process is the reseller model. By reselling product from supplier to customer, I took from a supplier that guaranteed and with proven with its quality. So the product that I will provide will not disappoint customer. I also choose design that was in line with the current public interest. For production process, I order in quantities that was is not to last in one order, such as 15 or 20 products. And the next, I want to talk about marketing and sales. In marketing and sales, any 4 points I want to tell. The first point about growth strategy. The marketing strategy that I use is first I recognize the majority of the customer who can be interested to the product, and I will do promotion directly or indirectly through social media. I only serve customer in the city of Bandung and Cimahi. In addition, important things to do is establish with a good relationship with customer. And second point, about the shipping method. The shipping method that I use is the directly shipping method. 3 point, About the payment method. The payment method that I use is cash on delivery on COD or COD and bank transfer. And the last point about financial strategy. But I will recording the financial statement every month by recording profit, loss, and making book neatly. The next, I want to tell about objective. The objectives to be achieved: first, gain 5 steady customers in the first 2 months of operation. Second, earn a net income of 300,000 rupiah for the first fiscal month. And last, can add other accessories product if I have managed to sell the main product. And obstacle: first, less time due to lecture activities, and second, customer distance is far, so it takes time because the shipping method that I use is the directly shipping method. And last, I want to tell about my action plan. By 10 June, I will look for supplier who sell quality product and have many attractive design. By 15 June, I will order the first 20 product that I will sell. And by 20 June, by the order has arrived, I will take a picture of the product and upload it to my social media. And by 21 June, I will start offering directly to the environment around me, such as my university, home, school, and many more. And that are my presentation about my business plan. Thank you for watching.